This might surprise you, but I am no artist. Oh, it's so cute! His hand. Hi, I am Batty Brea. So today I'm gonna do classic Christmas look, then make it extra. Well, I already have my foundation base. It's just ready to go. I used an eyeshadow primer that I don't like, that I mentioned in my last video. It's the Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer, eyelid primer. I still hate it. So the two palettes I'm thinking I'm gonna use, my Bailey Sarian Estate Cosmetic palette, and I might go in with this Violet Voss 6-color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette, just because the browns in here are a little darker. You don't need these palettes, you just need shades like this. I'm gonna use the color Tan Lines, which is like a soft beige, just to start my crease area. Once I built it up the way I want it, I'm gonna take a blending brush, nothing on it, soften it. It already is pretty soft, I feel, but still. I have a vein right here that shows on my eyelid, which is why I'm constantly trying different eyeshadow primers and nothing yet. The color Toasty, which is a matte brown. I'm gonna use the angled shaping brush so I can have more control of where I place it and then blend it out, because I do want it mainly on the outer corner, and I just feel like the way this angle is shaped, it just will help me do some of the work. And then again with the blending brush, and I'm going to focus on really blending it, this shape, this angle, up and out. I'm just going to repeat that last step again, just so I can build up more of the color that I lost from blending it out. Actually, before I blend it out, I'm going to take a really small blending brush. This is also the same brush I used for the crease in the beginning. And I'm going to use the Choco Latte in the Violet Voss palette, which is a real dark, rich brown, just to pack into the corner here. I'm not going to really take it out, but as I blend all of this, the blending will do that for me. And I've used these palettes before. They do not come out blotchy or patchy or anything. It is the eyelid primer. Now that's how I want it. I'm gonna blend it out. Still focusing on the shape of this angle here. And then I will go in closer with the dark brown, and then just some swirls right in here. I have to lift up my eyebrows because I have very hooded eyes. Again, this might look awkward this way because of the vein I have running through. And a lot of this is actually looking patchy, which is making me upset. But again, it's the eyeshadow primer, lid, prime and lock. Prime and lock my ass, come on. I feel like this side does look better. And I'm gonna take a plain, just flat shadow brush. And I'm gonna take the shade Ocean Avenue, press this on my lid. It's pretty, I love this palette. feather it this way just slightly. I'm just gonna go in with another layer because I can, and because it's a holiday look, which usually they consist of shine. I do want to do a dark cranberry matte eye look though too, because all the holiday looks are always so shimmery. I mean, it's freaking gorgeous, that's why. I'm gonna use some more of that dark brown in the Violet Voss palette. I think I'm gonna draw gingerbread on my face because I keep seeing that and I think it's adorable. So I'm gonna take this now closer in to where the shimmer ended. I'm throwing that primer away, the eyeshadow primer, if I didn't already. These palettes I just adore, so do not take what I am doing right now as how they come out. Besides pigment wise, I'm just gonna stop talking about it because it's making me upset. I'm gonna use this dark brown on more of the angle area as well, and then blend it out with the toasty shade. I'm gonna use this Morphe M330. I like to use this for blending in certain areas, like the outside, and maybe swoop in some because of the way it's shaped. And then with the blending brush that doesn't have anything on it, go over the edges. I'm going to use this small blending brush that I just used with the darker colors, and I'm going to use the darker browns. I'm going to use this again with the darker brown, the chocolate latte, and press it close to my bottom lash line. I should use a smaller brush for this. I'm just not grabbing one. And with the Morphe brush again, I'm going to use the shade Toasty and go right under that. The blending brush with nothing on it that we've gone back to multiple times, just go through this so it's still blended, and see how it like starts to go up, but then it's like this weird shape right here. I think this whole side's kind of off anyways, but we're just going with it. And again with the flat shadow brush, picking up Ocean Avenue, and I'm just taking the tip and now I'm going to stamp it at the beginning of my lower lash line, this inner corner down here. Yes. You know what? I also got this Wet n Wild Kohl crayon in the shade Taupe of the Morning. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna put this in my bottom waterline. It's alright. I'm gonna use the same mascara I used in the last video, Triple Shot XXL Mascara, Ciate London. I just got these Ardell Studio Effects Pro Designed Layer Lashes. They're wispies. Hi. Lashes on. As you can see, I meant to film doing it. Husband came home for lunch break, got distracted, stopped filming. Take my Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in red, and then go over it with this Morphe Jeffree Star Red Rum. Lips are done. I suck at doing my lips sometimes, and I think one of those times was right now. And same thing, like I said with the eyes, you don't need the palettes I use. Same thing, you don't need this lip stuff. You can use whichever ones you want. You can overdraw your lips. You could just put chapstick on. Festive. I don't think festive is the right word because this seems pretty plain to me. Holiday basics. Yeah, sure, festive. Now let's get extra. I have been seeing, like I said, gingerbread men, like, I think they do it on their eye with their eyeliner. So I don't know how they do it. I don't know if they use eyeshadow, if they use paint, but I have a lot, kind of liquid eyeliners. I got a brown and white, green, and I got red lipstick. Almost the same thing. So I have this brown eyeliner, Wet n Wild, dark brown. Oh, it's dark. It's gonna be like a burnt gingerbread man. This is Profusion, dark brown. No, but duh, this taupe liner I just said I got. Let's see. Yes, this might surprise you, but I am no artist, which means I'm just gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna, you know, start the circle, kind of make a little stick man, and fatten him up. Hopefully not too much. Let's see, hopefully it won't take over my whole cheek, right? I'm balancing the weight of my hand with my pinky on my face. Make his leg not too fat. Oh, it's so cute! I love it. And his little fat ass leg. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take this. This is a Beauty Be Peachy lip liner. It's kind of a brown. Barely. But I'm gonna go over this with it a little bit. It looks good on camera. No, not great in person. I'm gonna take this white eyeliner by NYX. Like the neckline, right? The neckline that connects to his hand. Go back in with a taupe, let's see. And then color in that last one I did. And then bring his arms out a little more. Take my black eyeliner. Liner brush. I'm gonna use the black liner to make a smile. I don't know. Let's see, I might mess it up right now. I'm gonna try to outline it. He is one whack-ass gingerbread man. I'm not impressed, but I'm not mad about it. He's kind of cute. You know, everybody's different. That's what he tells himself. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Whoopee! Festive to extra. I mean, it wipes off its makeup. And it was something fun to do, something new to try. Some holiday basic looks for you. I'll be back with more festive to extra looks, more detailed ones. Are they gonna be great? I don't know. I don't know. But we're gonna figure it out. I'm still gonna try it. All right. Bye.